In this video, we're going to cover how to share your XLeap profile and portfolio with others, whether that be on your LinkedIn page, your teacher, a potential job application, and more. So the first thing you're going to want to do is be logged into your XLeap account. Then on the Profile tab on your dashboard, you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and click that Share Profile. You will find a link that you can then copy and then share with whoever you need to share it with. And what they're going to see ultimately is your profile. So this is what they will see. They will see your profile, which contains your summary, skills, and so much more. And then they can access your portfolio via this button here, which will allow them to see any portfolio artifacts and so much more. So that is how you can share your XLeap profile and portfolio with others using that Share Profile link.